Hi everyone, my name is Keith, a machine expert with USA Clean for 12 years, and this is the Tomcat 270 battery burnisher. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to keep your machine running at peak performance, and it's going to help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. So you need to replace your pad or your pad holder because it is broken. Super simple. Take your machine, tilt it back, go ahead and unscrew the top piece of your pad holder. Remove the pad. Now, if you need to replace the bottom piece of your pad holder because it's broken, here's how you do it. Get yourself a Phillips head drill bit or a Phillips head screwdriver, and there are 3 Phillips screws that need to come out. Just like that. Now, to replace, just reverse your steps. Get your new pad holder, which will come with a bottom piece and a top piece, and they'll come together. So unscrew the top piece and get the 3 screws lined up. Just get them started. Just like that. Now, take your Phillips head drill or Phillips head screwdriver and tighten the screws back down. Just like that. Now get your new pad, line it up. Take the top part and screw that back down. Just like that, and you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you liked what you watched, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.